Hi, I'm Ben. I build Valentbills for a living. I'm a former land speed racer. I drive an electric car built before they were cool. I drink a little too much beer, and I care about the planet.
Last video I made this. Which was a raging success, actual like-for-like replacement of a Briggs & Stratton mower, and it scared the hell out of me. Very powerful, very fast revs, great way to impress all my rev head mates, but there's one little problem with it, and that is that it is powered off a $500 e-bike battery. One thing that the power tool companies have got right is this. I guess we'd call it the cassette battery. The battery that drops in and you can charge it elsewhere and have as many batteries as you needed. So I decided I really wanted to extend this mower project and actually power it off 3 of these batteries. Now, interestingly, they are 18 volt and they have a really trick little battery management or BMS system in them which has a low voltage cutout. Now that means I can wire them in series and bring them up voltage up to e-bike or the 2000 watt motor system that I've currently got in the mower. The thing that pushed this over the line is somebody in China has made an adapter for these batteries, which means it clips straight on, has 2 wires coming off it, enabling you to power anything off it. And a great opportunity to use these batteries more for all these sorts of things. So I ordered some of these off eBay and I've now put 3 of them on my mower, and here's how I did it. Now there was one little thing that I had to take a big chance on with this, and that is the battery system was going to top out at 54 volts when you put 3 18s in series, and my mower's speed controller or brushless motor controller unit was a 48 volt. Now I wasn't sure whether the MOSFETs and all the trick little capacitors and so on in this controller would be able to handle the extra voltage. So I took a chance and it actually paid off. And if anything, I think from what I've read now, it's actually better for them to have a little bit more voltage rather than a little less voltage because low voltage actually creates some more damage. So this now leads me into some other projects to see what I can do with these batteries. may escalate quickly because if you think about it, one of the things not being talked about in the electrification argument is having all these lithium batteries largely sitting around dormant. I mean, I hate mowing. I only mow my lawn maybe, I don't know, once a month, a couple of times a month in springtime. So having a $500 e-bike battery sitting on my mower doing nothing was never really going to be a thing, and it needed to have the batteries useful for other things on other days. And the same could be said of so many of the everyday tasks that we're now seeking to electrify. So the power tool battery principle is actually one that we should be expanding upon. That's one thing they have got right. What they need to do though is make these tools like for like replacement and actual sized to the power of the items of the petrol mowers or petrol items that we were replacing. So that very concept there should keep me busy for a while of things I could possibly make. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about it, and feel free to leave suggestions in the comments of other things you'd like me to make. A couple of other projects on the go, probably a little while for the next video but not too long. Cheers!